how to create a new Facebook page. It's very quick and easy, so let's dive right in. First, open your Facebook account and tap on the three dots. This will take you to your profile, and under your profile name you can see here this plus icon, and that says create new profile or place. Just tap on the plus icon. So here are two options that you can choose from. The first one is another personal profile that you can create, and the second one is a public page. So if you want to create a page, choose the second option and tap on next. You can add your page name. I'm just gonna name it test and tap on next. So it says the name is too broad, so you have to choose something specific for your business or another profile. So I'm just going to choose a different name, and I'm just going to tap on next. This name should be valid, and let's see. All right, so you can choose your category. You can search for it. After you have chosen your profile, this will be the next page where you can add your bio, your contact, and everything. You can just skip this process for now to create the page. Just tap on next, and from here, your page should be created. And here you can choose if the page notifications should be sent to your profile. I'm just gonna keep it as it is and tap on done. After this, it will automatically switch to your profile or your new page. And that's how you create a new Facebook page. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you on the next video. Thank you for watching.